I'm going to show you how to see what comments you posted on YouTube. So if you're ever curious about what comments you posted on videos over a certain amount of time, it's real easy to go and check this. So go to your YouTube and you want to go to the U section at the bottom right-hand corner. And from here, you want to go to the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner. So once this is here, you want to go down to where it says manage all history. And once this loads up, you want to go to interactions at the far right side. And this is going to give you a ton of settings, but what you want to focus on is where it says comments and replies. And so this is going to show you all of the comments that you physically make on a reply or a YouTube video by itself. So you can go ahead and scroll through and see what you've commented on, but you can also go ahead and delete these comments as well. So if you were to just go ahead and hit the X at the top of the video here, that comment would just disappear and it would come off that channel's comment area. So that's it. It's actually really simple and super easy to go ahead and see what comments you made, but to go ahead and delete them as well.